Hello everyone, and I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video on this channel, but I just had so many exams and so much stuff to do actually. Alright, I know my beard has grown, and yeah, I'm not the same guy anymore. Anyways, alright, so today we're gonna be looking at a song called "Snuff" by Slipknot. Alright, so. It's pretty easy song. It's an easy song, and there are some tricks to it that I'm going to show you to make you more comfortable playing it and make you master it very quickly. All right. So the first thing we're gonna start with is the intro. All right. So the intro is something like this. I know you know the song, so you're gonna recognize it very easily. Then you play it again. You can either play with your fingers if you want a softer and lower sound to come out of your guitar, or you can play with the pick, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so what am I doing? Let's get a closer look and let's check it out. Okay, so first of all, I'm starting with an AM chord, right? An AM chord in which you put your index finger on the second string, which let's just call them from 1 to 6, alright? So high is 1, B is 2, and etc. Alright, so your index on the second of the first fret. There you go. Your middle on the third, or on the fourth of the second fret, and your ring on the third of the second fret. Alright, so I think by this point everyone knows the chords, so I'm just gonna quickly say them and move forward. So what you're gonna do is just down chords. Down, down, and then half down. So 4 times. So down and down and down and down. Then you go to an E chord, alright? So an E chord, an E minor chord to be exact. So an E minor chord is, I like to play with my, like a different person, different people play it different ways. So there are people who play it, just the basic idea is that you're just gonna put your fingers on the second fret of the 5th and 4th string. So you can play it with your index and the middle with your middle and ring, whatever you want like. But in this case, and this is the trick that I want to show you, it's better to play it with your ring and pinky. So this is an A minor chord. Why is it better? Because then what you want to do is you want to go to an F chord, right? And an F chord, you can play it like this. It's barred, right? But it's preferably that you play it like this, because barring for some is hard, and I want to make this tutorial very easy, and actually it's the same way that Taylor plays it in the live. So he plays it like this. Anyway, so once you go to this 4th down, you want to play an up on the E minor, then slide it to the 3rd fret, plug your middle on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret and your index on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and you want to play again the down. Once you're on the 4th down again, the up is going to need to be an E minor, so you just take off this 2 and slide this one back to the 2nd. It's pretty easy. Alright, so let's do everything again and slowly. And actually this is the intro, and actually it is the first verse. It is the verse in general. This is what you do in the verse. So like come away with innocence and leave me with my sins. The air then you want to go to the pre-chorus, which is the same chords, same way. You're just gonna strum if you want. If you don't want, if you want a softer cover, softer, like with nice vocals that I of course don't have, you can just play like again the pre-chorus like the same way as you played before. You can do that, but I just like to play like this. So what am I doing? It's the exact same thing, you just so down, down, up, down. I'm having trouble saying it, but I think just with what you can hear, you already know the strumming that I'm doing. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. When on the last down, you're gonna go to the E minor as I showed you, up, slide to the F, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then up in the E minor. Don't think about it too much, just listen to what I'm doing, and your hand will automatically replicate what I'm doing. So and then you go to the chorus. So in the chorus, actually don't play anything while you sing it. So it's like, so if you love me, let me go, run away before I know, my heart is just too dark to care, I can destroy what isn't there, deliver me to my fate, if I'm a lover I cannot hate, I can strive to have you. My song was taken long ago, if I can change, I hope I never know. Alright, so what did I just do? So you go, so if you love me, let me, and you play a G chord. A G chord, your middle on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, your index on the 2nd fret of the 5th, your ring on the 2nd of the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. It's the G chord. So if you love me, let me go, run away before I, A minor, same chord as before. No, my heart is just too dark to care, I can destroy what isn't there, deliver me to my fate, I'm a lover I cannot hate, I don't deserve to have you. Then you go to an F chord. You can play it either like this or like this, doesn't really matter. My smile was taken long ago, if I can change I hope I never, A minor, no. And you go to the pre-verse again, which is exactly the same thing. So you know the drill. Then you go to the second verse, which is like I mean it's exactly like the first verse. It's the exact same thing. Then you go to the chorus, like they play. When you refuse to fight, so save your breath, I will not hear. I think I made it very clear. You didn't have enough to love. It's not supposed to be enough. I only wish you were my friend, that I could touch you in the air. I never come to be the same. same thing. You play through the solo the exact same thing. A minor, E, F, E, exact same thing. I'm sorry. And then you just stop, right? So break yourself against my stones. Speak your Billy, my soul. I never needed any help. Solve the episode yourself. I think you see what I'm trying to do. It's just A minor. It's just G, A minor, G, A minor, G, A minor, until the end. Run away, you're all the same. Angels like to keep control. My love's always like a you, so get on, never let me know. You so get on, never let me know. And you finish in the A minor. Okay, so what I did there was like, it's an F chord. My love was punished. I always forget. My love was punished long of you, so get on and let me. Then you go to C chord. No. And then you say it again. If you so get on and let me know. And you play out progression. Twice. And you finish in the A minor. I always try to keep my tutorials real easy and fast. But if I went real fast for you, you can always ask me to make my future tutorials a little bit slower, and I would like to do that, just like that. I don't have a very popular channel, and some of you guys that watch, I know who you are. I watch your videos, I'm subscribed to you, and I read your suggestions. Like, I only got one suggestion throughout my whole experience with this channel of YouTube. So you can just like tell me what to do and I will do it. Yeah. So until then, I think that people who wanna learn how to play a song, they just want to like skip the bullshit and just like get to it already. So this is what I wanted to do when I was trying to learn how to play certain songs. I just want like, alright, stop playing each and every chord. Just tell me what should I do, like which chord, how do I play it, and what should I do, what should I know, what I shouldn't do, and then from there I just take off, and I already know what I need to do, stuff like that. So this is the main purpose why my videos are quick, and even though this one's already like 15 minutes and cut. I rarely edit my videos. If I'm in a good mood or something like this, I add some stuff, but like right now, it's just from a project to another. So see you in the next video. Hope it's really soon, and give me suggestions. I really love making videos, so just tell me what to do. Sometimes I just don't have any ideas. I'm not talking very fast, like I don't know why. And the video ended 2 minutes ago. What the fuck am I still doing? Peace out.